CAD Drafting Tool Design Technology program is a program that prepares students to enter the manufacturing world, to design both products and also the tooling that mass produces products that we use in everyday life. I teach students how to design the tooling to manufacture everything from a toothbrush to parts on the space shuttle and anywhere in between. So the stuff that we teach is used in every walk of life.
The reason why Ferris is a little bit better than some other programs is because we're one of the only ones that actually go in depth with the tooling design side of it. So there's not a whole lot of programs in the nation that do that.
The job placement for our program is nearly 100%. A lot of our industry jobs are left unfilled, and I've got companies calling me every week saying, Wanink, how many more can you send me? I have students that are leaving starting off anywhere between $16 and $17 an hour as a very beginning level while they're still in college, to students that are, they're still in college doing a summer job making $28 an hour, and some students that are going out with their first job making between $40,000 and $50,000 for their first year, and within the first 5 to 10 years, they're almost hitting $100,000. So it is a very good field to be in.
The difference between the CAD drafting and the tool design here is that the CAD drafting is like making models and making 2D prints of them, proper dimensioning so it can be manufactured. And then the tool design part is making the actual injection molds to produce the parts.
One of the projects that we do in our freshman class, as far as solid modeling, they create a product. And I call it kind of my quote-unquote Shark Tank product, where they have to develop a product or change two products and merge them into one. So they have to interact with some existing parts and geometry and be able to create something that works from it.
My prototype project is actually a controller grip for the Nintendo Switch console. It slides the controller onto the side of the product, and it actually functions as a grip that also holds your phone at the same time. So that way, at the same time that you're playing a video game holding the controllers off to either side, you also have your phone to be able to use, whether you're checking social media or anything else.
So a typical student in the CAD Drafting Tool Design program is a good hands-on, mechanical kind of minded person. I always use the joke that if you like watching the show how it's made, I want you in my program. If you like to figure out how things work, if you're pretty good at math and you're pretty good at science and you understand and want to work with products and how they function, you'd be a really good candidate to finish the CAD Drafting Tool Design program. So a student who decides to go into the associate degree of CAD Drafting and Tool Design can then ladder into 4 other choices within the College of Engineering Technology. They can go into product design, manufacturing engineering technology, plastics engineering technology, or mechanical engineering technology.
I specifically chose CAD tool drafting because you make something, you have this idea that there's a problem out there and you can figure it out. So you can make anything from the biggest item to the smallest item. In any parameter, it's all in your own mind.
I think with this program I really learned how versatile everything is and how everything really connects together and how all the different departments of engineering really coincide with each other. With CAD, it's used in every single engineering thing because you have to have the drafts first, and I didn't really understand that before I came here. I thought things were just made, really. So it helped me understand the process of everything.
The students from the CAD Drafting Tool Design program, when they leave here, they're ready to go to work. They understand how the industry is, they understand what the technology is, they understand what it means to work, and I've got very hardworking students, and we push them so they make sure that they're prepared when they leave Ferris, that they're going to hit the road running. Our industry's come back to us and they've always said, can you send me 10 more of that guy, because he's good.